So we went shopping, Victoria's Secret. We shopped till we dropped. Oh my god. The guy thought it was funny. Oh, this sucks. Oh. What'd you get, Cecilia? A million thongs and underwear and oh, I can't do that. Lingerie for my secret lover. Your dirty little secret? Oh. I cracked myself up. Oh my god. Yes, her dirty little secret. I know who it is. Is that gonna be posted? No. Oh my god. I wonder, I cannot wait till we do it so that like those haters like I know, right? Haters. So cool. I love my eyeshadow. Whoa, whoa, look at it. I like how it shimmers.